What a way to start the video, absolutely tearing up that croissant. It's beach time on day 5, our last full day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take any videos at the beach, but I might. So if I see you, I see you. Very cloudy beach day, not ideal. Actually the worst. Oh God. I'm not really rocking with all these clouds right now. I'm trying to burn. So my mom decided to rent a paddleboard today. So here's some footage of that. My legs just started to cramp and give out as I was trying to swim to my mom paddleboarding. Does that hurt? On another note, the turtle came back, but I didn't have my phone. But you guys saw the turtle already, so you know. Also, the sun's kind of back out. Kind of. So, what's the word on food? Greek food. Greek food in Hawaii? Okay, all right. So me and my mom went to this taco burger food truck place called Pit Stop. And here's the menu if you want to take a look. Got the pineapple lemonade, the crispy cheeseburger, the fries, and the pork taco. So after that, we went to Magnolia again, and I decided to try the corn and cheese flavor and the cheese flavor of ice cream. Actually, it was pretty good, and I ended up getting a whole cone of the corn and cheese. Yeah, and then somehow our walk back to the hotel turned into us getting drinks at Yard House. There was no alcohol in that pina colada, by the way. It's raining. Yeah, this was on our walk back to the hotel. Then we basically just chilled there for a while until dinner. Time for dinner at Aloha Steak. Aloha. Okay, alright, dude. Alright, man. Alright, okay. That's enough of that. Look at that tomahawk. Absolutely beautiful. I also got them slicing it up, so you could skip through that if you want. Here's me absolutely tearing up that steak. Then my mom told me to take this video of the street. And with that, our last full day in Hawaii is officially over. I've had so much fun on this trip. Big shout out to my parents. But yeah, today, only thing you guys missed is me getting some new shorts to go with my bucket hat. Yeah, I can show those on screen right now. And yeah, so right now it's like 9 p.m. here in Hawaii. I'm gonna try and wake up at 5 a.m., fix my sleep schedule, and I'm gonna edit this video then. So the video is gonna come out a little bit late, but that's okay. And yeah, last day at the beach tomorrow and some travel tomorrow. So see you guys then. I just realized this is gonna be my last time editing while we're in Hawaii.